This is gonna blow your mind. Meet the tardigrade, the tiny creature that laughs in the face of radiation. Scientists have just uncovered the secrets behind a new species of tardigrade, Hypsibius henanensis. These microscopic critters are famous for their resilience, and guess what? They can withstand insane levels of radiation. So, how do they do it? It all comes down to their super-efficient DNA repair mechanism. Radiation normally wreaks havoc on DNA, but H. henanensis fights back with a unique protein called TRID1. This protein helps repair DNA damage almost instantly, stopping mutations in their tracks. And there's more. When exposed to radiation, these tiny titans activate special genes that boost their DNA repair and energy production. Plus, they produce a ton of antioxidants, shielding their cells from free radical damage. Incredible, right? So, next time you think about tough creatures, remember the tardigrade, nature's ultimate survivor. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing science facts.